Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa and today we are somewhere new. I'm visiting my mom in Austin and this room has a bit of an echo because it's pretty bland. There's nothing really here other than my bed and my desk. So I'm sorry if it sounds kind of weird or kind of echoey, but I don't even have blinds yet. So, it's a process. But anyways, today's video is for all my glass wearers out there. If you wear glasses, you know it can be a hassle to do your makeup sometimes. But thankfully, I have nailed a pretty simple makeup routine for those days when I don't want to wear my contacts, because I do wear my contacts a lot. But on those days where I don't feel like it, or I'm in a rush, or I'm just wanting to do something super simple, I do a specific look that I wanted to show you guys today, because I know a lot of you out there obviously wear glasses and maybe you don't know how to navigate your way through the makeup when wearing glasses. So this is gonna be a super simple look. I like to keep it super natural. So if you're wanting to learn how to do some makeup when you're wearing glasses, or what kind of makeup looks good when you're wearing glasses, then this is a video for you. Let's get started, shall we? Let me take these off and we can do some makeup. I hope I'm in focus, I hope I'm in frame, I hope everything's working. I don't have my glasses so I can't see shit. Also, I put on press-on nails and I feel like a bad bitch, so if you see me like doing a lot of this, it's because I put on some press-on nails. Anyways, I digress. Let's get into some actual makeup. So for makeup, I'm gonna start with skin today because it's gonna be super minimal. I like to keep my skin products so minimal, like barely anything there, super light layers, because I find that if I'm wearing a lot, it's gonna slip and slide and it's gonna get all over my glasses and it's gonna get dirty. It's gonna be a whole thing. To start off today, I'm using the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer. I really like this one. I have more combo skin, so I wasn't sure how I was gonna like it, but it is pretty good. It reminds me of the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip, like it has that same texture, but it is just slightly less sticky, and it feels really hydrating. Next, for my all-over base, I'm going in with a L'Oreal True Match Hyaluronic Tinted Serum. I love this one. It's super light. You can kind of build it up, but I'm not going to build it up. I'm literally just going to apply the tiniest bit of this. It is very light, and a little bit goes, well, I'm not going to say it goes a long way, but it is very good to even out the skin without needing a ton of product. So I'm just applying this with my finger. And then I'm gonna go in with a brush. Okay, and once the base is on, feels super light, like there's nothing there, it doesn't feel heavy or cakey, which is like the main goal. We're gonna go in with the Milani Supercharged Brightening Under Eye Tint. This is in 120 Peach. And this is basically like a 2-in-1 makeup skincare product, but I just use it more of a color corrector, and I find that it is very good at what it does. Like, it really just brightens up my under eyes. Sometimes I wear it without anything on top, like it isn't overly peachy. That's how I'm gonna wear it today. I'm just gonna apply this in the innermost part of my under eye where I have a lot of redness. It's not redness, it's darkness. Anyways, I'm just gonna go in and apply this with my finger. And you can see how it instantly, like, opens up my eye and wakes me up. I still have like the darkness there. I'm not trying to cover it completely, obviously, but I just wanted something to like brighten it up. And that's perfect, because when I'm wearing my glasses, I don't want to have a lot of concealer like build up here, or I don't want to have any concealer transferred to my actual glasses. So the less product I use, the better. And this one really just does the work while being lightweight, which is more important than anything else. And if I ever feel like things are looking a little bit more peachy than I would like to, but I don't want to go in with extra concealer, I'll just go in with the brush I used for my overall base and stamp it on top, and that usually helps like minimize the peachiness of the concealer, of the corrector, sorry. Once that's done, we can move on to the powder. I'm using the Kosas Cloud Set Powder in Breezy. I love this one because, again, it is very lightweight, and it takes away the shine and it sets my makeup, but it doesn't look cakey or feel super heavy, which is the theme of this video. And now we'll just apply this everywhere. Okay, now I'm gonna move on to eyebrows. With my glasses, they're pretty big for my face. I have a tiny face, so they kind of cover up my brow. I'm just gonna groom them very lightly. I'm using the Refi thing that I don't know the name of. You guys know, but like it's this thing, the classic Refi thing. And I'm just gonna go ahead and like groom my brows, just brush them up. And if you have sparser brows, you can definitely go in with like a tinted brow gel, or if you feel like you need any like additional product, you can definitely go ahead and do that. But I just want to groom them, push them up. For cheek products, I'm going to be sticking to powdered cheek products. You guys know I love my creams, and on the daily I usually reach for those because they're super quick. But when I'm wearing my glasses for the whole day, I don't want any cream products that can transfer onto the frame because, again, it will make everything super messy, so I stick to powders. For bronzer, I'm using the Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion in 20M. I don't know if they've discontinued this again or what. I don't know what's going on, but it's just this one. You can use whatever you want. I just don't have my entire collection here, and this is the only powder bronzer I brought. So we're just gonna go in with an angled brush and apply bronzer everywhere, basically. I'm not gonna go overboard, I just wanna warm up the face. For blush, I'm going in with the Patrick Ta Do We Know Her Double Take Cream and Powder Blush. I'm just using the powder side, obviously, because again, this is the only powder blush I brought. And again, I'm not going ham, just adding a bit of color to the cheeks. For my eyes, whenever I do wear glasses, I don't like to do very like smoky looks or anything that adds a lot of darkness because I feel like it just doesn't play well with my particular frames. But I do like to incorporate light into my eye. I just like to make it brighter. I feel like that helps when you're wearing your glasses. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with the Rowan eyeshadow palette in 75 degrees, and I'm using this super like light glittery shade and just applying this all over my eyes, kind of just like a wash of glitter. Not adding any primer or anything because honestly I cannot be bothered when I'm wearing glasses. Once the glitter is on, I'm going with mascara. I like to stay more so on the natural side because I do have long lashes. And if I do a ton of mascara and I make my lashes very voluminous, they will hit the glass. So I like to keep it a little more natural, something that's not gonna make my lashes look crazy because it is kind of uncomfortable to have them like hit my glasses every time I blink. So today I'm using the Maybelline The Colossal Curl Bounce. This is a new mascara. I've tried it once or twice and so far so good. It's a lot more natural than you would think. I was surprised, but I'm just gonna apply a coat of this to my lashes. And there we have it. Mascara is done. As you can see, the lashes just look, you know, curly, lifted, but not super dramatic. That's exactly what I was going for. And I didn't do lower lashes just because I don't feel like it's necessary when I'm wearing my glasses. Like, I feel like everything just hides behind them. Now, I'm gonna go in with my lips. For lips, you can literally do anything you want. That's the beauty of this look. I feel like bold lips with glasses it's a look. It's truly a look. Like, you could be wearing nothing but a bold lip and your glasses, and I feel like it would be a look. You can obviously go for nudes and like sheer stuff. For the most part, when I'm doing this look, I just go for like a sheer lip product, like a tinted lip balm or just a lip gloss, because again, I'm super lazy. But today I'm gonna do something, it's still sheer, but it's a little bolder. I'm just gonna line my lips with a NYX lip pencil in Nude Beige, which I have been loving lately. And then on top of that, I'm doing the Deck of Scarlet 3-Way Solid Lip Oil in the shade Peach Sands. This was gifted to me. I did an Instagram post with them, and I'm really enjoying this formula because it's quite literally a lip oil, so it's nourishing on my lips, but it still has good pigmentation. It's crazy, and I really enjoy this color as well, so let's apply it. Okay, and that's the lips done. The color isn't exactly like super nude. It isn't like super bold either. It's kind of the perfect in between. I love the formula because it is very nourishing and hydrating, but it doesn't slip and slide anywhere. But yeah, that's the lips done. And then to finish everything off, I'm just gonna go with a few spritzes of the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I actually like this a lot, and we just want to make sure that everything lasts all day. And this is what the look looks like with the glasses. I feel like the eyes just look very awake from underneath the glasses. You know, the face is very natural, minimal transfer in the lips. I really love this lip combo with the glasses. I hadn't tried it yet, but I actually really like it. And again, I can play with it and make it more bold or super pared down, depending on what I'm going for. So yeah, this is the look with glasses. I love it. So that is it for today's look. That's a wrap on today's video. As I mentioned at the beginning, super easy, super simple. You can do this in less than 20 minutes. You could definitely go a little more glam if you just, you know, you wear glasses on the daily and you want to make it more glam. By all means, go ahead. But I usually reserve my glam for the days when I'm wearing my contacts so that things don't get messy. But as always, you guys can do whatever the hell you want. I just wanted to show you guys what I like to do in case it's helpful for anyone out there. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you enjoyed this look. Let me know if it was helpful. And let me know if there's anything else you guys want to see me try or do here on the channel. Leave all your suggestions below and I'll see what I can do. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I hope you enjoyed and I will see you right here for my next one. Bye everyone. Mwah.